What up guys, today I have another unboxing. It is the Apple TV 4K. I do have the previous generation that's non 4K, but I decided, I have a 4K TV. I would like to be able to, watch some, 4K content, so I went and picked this up today straight from Apple. So I got this 32 gig version for $179. So let's quickly go over some of the specs. Capacity is 32 and 64. The one I have costs $179. The 64 is $199. This ports on this, it has HDMI 2.0 with a gigabit Ethernet port, 802.11ac dual band, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz wireless. And it does have Bluetooth 5.0. And powering this is the A10X Fusion 64-bit processor. So let's go ahead and unbox this puppy. So let's just quickly grab a nice cutting tool. Go. Cut up. Not quite yet. Do that again. So I'm not sure what I'll be doing with my one that I have hooked up right now. I might give that to like a family member, but I'll have to wait and see. I mean, it works perfectly. So let's get this unwrapped. So I use it as my streaming box. So I mean, I don't have cable anymore. I just have internet. So I stream everything, all my content and everything through this, or through my previous Apple TV, my current one actually. So the box, you just have the standard Apple TV logo, side, blank, back. It shows you basically all the streaming services you can have on there, capacity, 4K HDR. It shows you what's in the box right there, the device itself and the remote. Side is blank, back to the front, and up top you do have, let's say, Apple TV 4K. Alright, let's open this puppy up. And sadly, there's no those box farts anymore with Apple's products. Basically, up here, nothing. And right away, you are presented with your device and your remote. And this remote's different because around the menu button, you do have the white circle, which is raised, so you do know that is the menu button. And it does have the little tab, so it's easier to pull out of the box. So I'm going to leave that in the plastic. Under that, we do have the nicely wrapped power cord. Back. And let's pop this out, put this out the side so we can see what else we get. And here, below that is the standard packet, warranty and let's get started and everything, which I don't need to read. And another lightning cable, which I have like a million of. So let's quickly go over this. Let's quickly unwrap it. Sniff it. It does have that apple smell, so which is always nice. I always keep this plastic film for later use. If I decide to like resell it or something, I can just put it back in there. Put that there. And there is like a little film, black film on this, on the outside. And here on the back, we do have like the where you plug the power into, the HDMI 2.0, and the gigabit Ethernet, which is really nice. There is no that micro USB. Up front, blank. Same thing on all the sides. Up top, we have the Apple logo. It says Apple TV. And on the bottom, this generation, we do have the vents because it's going to be producing a lot more heat with the 4K content streaming and everything. So, yeah, it does need a little bit more venting and everything to help keep it cool and performing at its best. So basically, that is really it of the Apple TV. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.